Powertruckshow here at Powertruck. We're waiting for the first show to start. We're gonna have 3 shows today on Friday and 3 more shows on Saturday. And I think I have been riding here already 4th year, and for this year I have Kasper Kumpulainen helping me, already geared up, so let's go. Yeah. All the shows done just before the rain, and tomorrow we got 3 more shows, so let's see, hope the weather is better. They're promising a lot of wind and maybe some more rain, so hopefully it will be good. Or what do you think, Larry?
Yes!
Yeah. Getting ready for the next shows here at Powertruck. It's Saturday. It's 10 meters per second wind. We're thinking it'd be better to cancel the first show because we have 2 more after that, but I think we will go for it. Look at these trees, dude. We already picked up our tent. After last night it was like 60 meters from the landing and ramps, and hopefully it will stay during the show. But the side wind is extremely hard. Hope for the best. Let's go and send it!
Easy access to diamond holes, Is it time for me? There's no guarantee. I see everybody lazy, powerless and crazy, shadows of their past, heading for a mental breakdown. Will we ever get down to what it's all about? I see everybody lazy, powerless and crazy, shadows of their past, heading for a mental breakdown. Will we ever get down to what it's all about?
We have a new artist on our show. That's today here, Nina with the invalid moped. Yes, Nina! Woo! Näin me tehdään. Tää on kyllä niin siisti ride. The last jump was sketchy as fuck. Powertruck show done for this year.